Alright guys, I got a special unboxing here. This was sent from one of our YouTube viewers out there. I'm not going to say who it's from, but you're going to know as soon as I open it. Alright, so here we go. No way. Taco USA. That's awesome. Oh my god. Twisted MacGyver's trains. That is awesome. Joey, I love you, buddy. I really, really appreciate this. That is awesome. That is so cool. Trump 24. Oh my God, Joey. I appreciate it. Joey, you were awesome. I can't thank you enough. I love him. Thank you, Joey.